Today, I'm doing something I don't think we've ever done before, but we're asking for a favor. We need a little bit of help. Um, I think a lot of you have seen that recently we made a big announcement that we want to be in the Medicare Advantage space going forward in a much bigger, much more focused way than what we have in the past. We've always had it, but honestly, it hasn't been a focus. And for sure, going forward, it's going to be a focus of ours. So here's my favor. A lot of you have said, yeah, we would love to work with you guys on the Medicare Advantage space. And but what I need help with is contracting. So you're going to be receiving some phone calls from us. You're going to maybe be seeing some more emails on it. And even though we're right here at the kind of the end of March, we really have got to get busy and get you guys appointed with us in whatever markets that you'd like to work with us on in the Medicare Advantage space. So help us out. You're going to be getting phone calls from Steve Spinner. He's the man that's going to direct our efforts going forward. And of course, everybody else that's here, we're all kind of pushing this up to the top right now because it's really important that we get the contracting and the paperwork going so we can be really ready to support you guys as the summer progresses and as things get closer to the fall selling season. So help us, all right? That's my pitch for the day, and you'll be seeing more and more on this as we go forward. All right? Thanks so much, guys.